The power of fruits in weight loss journey. Fruits are essential in weight loss journeys due to their low-calorie yet nutrient-rich profile. Incorporating a variety of fruits can help you achieve a calorie deficit, a crucial element for shedding pounds, without compromising on essential vitamins and minerals. Low-calorie fruits are particularly beneficial as they allow for larger portion sizes without the guilt. These fruits, such as berries and melons, provide the body with essential nutrients while keeping the overall calorie intake low, aiding in a smoother weight loss process. Water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber play a key role in enhancing satiety. They fill you up faster and keep you hydrated, reducing the urge to consume high-calorie foods and thus helping in controlling overall calorie intake. The fiber content in fruits is another game-changer in weight management. Fiber aids in digestion, slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, and increases the feeling of fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Lastly, the natural sugars found in fruits are far superior to refined sugars. They do not cause the same spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to weight gain. Opting for fruit can satisfy sweet cravings healthily, supporting your weight loss efforts. Understanding the glycemic index, GI, of fruits is crucial for weight loss. Fruits with a low GI release sugar slowly, keeping you feeling full longer and preventing spikes in blood sugar, which can lead to cravings and overeating. Antioxidants in fruits not only support detoxification by eliminating toxins from the body, but also aid in weight management. These powerful compounds can reduce oxidative stress, potentially leading to a more efficient metabolism, which is vital for shedding excess weight. Citrus fruits are renowned for their metabolism-boosting properties. The high vitamin C content in oranges, lemons, and grapefruits helps in fat oxidation, which can accelerate weight loss. Incorporating citrus fruits into your diet can thus be a game-changer for your weight loss journey. Berries pack a punch when it comes to weight loss and appetite control. Their high fiber content and water volume provide a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are excellent choices for snacking without guilt. When consuming fruits for weight loss, portion control is key. While fruits are nutritious, they also contain calories and sugars. Overindulging can hinder weight loss efforts, so it's important to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Incorporating fruits into a balanced diet is crucial for sustainable weight loss. Opt for a variety of colors and types to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Balance fruit intake with lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains for best results. Replacing unhealthy snacks with fruit can significantly reduce your calorie intake, aiding in weight loss. Fruits are not only lower in calories, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Choose whole fruits over processed snacks to keep hunger at bay and energy levels steady. The natural sweetness of fruits offers a healthy way to satisfy sugar cravings without resorting to high-calorie, sugary snacks. This substitution helps manage calorie intake and can reduce the likelihood of insulin spikes, supporting overall weight management efforts. Eating fruits can also have positive psychological benefits, enhancing your mood and motivation for weight loss. The natural sugars in fruits help in releasing serotonin, a mood-enhancing neurotransmitter, which can keep you motivated and less likely to reach for comfort foods. Seasonal fruits tend to have a higher nutritional value and are more environmentally sustainable. They can also be more affordable and fresher than non-seasonal options, making them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight without compromising on taste or nutrition. Tropical fruits, often dismissed merely as sweet treats, hold secret weapons in the battle against the bulge. Their high fiber content, essential minerals, and enzymes not only aid digestion, but also boost metabolism. Including these in your diet can bring about a more enjoyable and effective weight loss journey. Pre-workout and post-workout nutrition is crucial for those aiming to lose weight. Fruits like bananas and oranges offer quick energy before exercises, while berries and kiwi aid in muscle recovery and replenishment of glycogen stores afterward. This strategic fruit consumption can enhance your workout performance and recovery. The belief that fruits cause weight gain is a widespread myth needing clarification. Fruits, in moderation, are beneficial for weight loss due to their fiber content and low energy density. Scientific studies have consistently shown that including fruits in your diet can actually help in managing your weight. When considering fruits for weight loss, choosing whole fruits over fruit juices is essential. Whole fruits retain all the fiber and nutrients, which helps in feeling fuller for longer, thereby reducing overall calorie intake. In contrast, fruit juices can be high in sugar and lack fiber, leading to potential weight gain. Organic fruits have been touted for their superior nutritional benefits, but when it comes to weight loss, the difference may not be significant. The key is the nutrient content and fiber in fruits, whether organic or conventionally grown, making them a valuable part of a weight loss diet. Crafting a fruit eating plan for weight loss begins with variety and balance. Opt for fruits across the color spectrum to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Include them in your meals as snacks or desserts to satisfy sweet cravings healthily. Incorporating fruits into your weight loss journey can significantly enhance your diet and lifestyle changes. They not only offer essential vitamins and minerals, but also help in controlling appetite and boosting metabolism. Embrace fruits as a natural, delicious, and integral part of your weight loss strategy.